Welcome to students in my class. My name is Farah Hassan. Like my channel, subscribe my channel. Let's start today's class. Exercise number 8.3, question number 3. Pavina borrowed 12,500 rupees at 10%, 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest. So Pavina borrowed 12,500 rupees, rate given and time given. Borrows amount at simple interest. Okay. And Radha borrows same amount borrows for the same time period at 10% per annum. The rate change it at compounded interest, at compounded annually. So who pays more interest and how much? Radha more interest pay or Pavina more interest pay? Find out. Okay. So first we calculation for the Pavina. Principal given, rate given and time given. And Pavina borrows amount at simple interest. So find the simple interest. So find the interest by simple interest formula. Okay. Principal given 12,500. Rate 12% per annum. And time given 3 years. So first we calculation for the Pavina. Interest find out because question depends on the interest. Who pays more interest and how much? So interest find out by simple interest formula. Principal into rate into time upon 100. This is the formula of simple interest. And you know that Pavina borrows amount at simple interest. Principal rate 12%, time 3 years upon 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 125 multiply 12 multiply 3. So when we multiply this, so product is 4,500 rupees. So interest, Pavina pays interest 4,500 rupees. Okay. Now Radha interest calculate. Prepare the data for Radha. Sorry, principal, rate, time. Principal same amount 12,500 rupees. Rate change 10% per annum and time same 3 years. Compounded annually. Radha borrowed 12,500 rupees at the rate of 10% for 3 years at compounded annually. So, you know that compounded interest formula is because Radha borrows amount at compounded annually. So compounded interest formula is amount minus principal. So amount is not given. Student, amount not given. So first we find out the amount. And you know that amount formula of amount is principal bracket 1 plus rate upon 100 and this is the formula of amount. Because amount not given. So first we find out the amount because compounded interest formula is amount minus principal. This is amount. Principal 12,500. Rate 10% upon 100. Time given 3 years. 0 0 cancel. Okay. This one is denominator. So first we take the LCM of 1 and 10. 1 and 10 LCM is 1 multiplied by 10 is equals to 10. 10 1 the 10, 1 multiplied 1 is equals to 1 because 10 1 the 10, 1 1 the 1 plus 1 multiplied by 10 is equals to 10. 10 1 the 10. 3. 10 plus 1 is 11 upon 10. 3 here means write 11 upon 10 3 times. 0 cancel. 0 cancel. Okay. 1 2 5 multiply by 11 multiply by 11 multiply by 11 and upon 10. Okay. This 0 cancel. The product is 1 to 5 multiply by 11 multiply by 11 multiply by 11 is equals to 166375 upon 10. 10 1 the 10, 6, 10 6 the 60, 6 3, 10 6 the 60, 3, 7, 10 3 30, 7, 5 write down, 10 7 the 70, 5, point after we can take 0, 10 5 the 50. The amount is 16637.50. But question is who pays more amount? Sorry, who pays more interest? So we find out the interest. Compounded interest formula is amount minus principal. Amount has been find out now. We can easily find out the compound interest because compounded interest formula is amount minus principal. Amount has been find out now. We can easily find out compounded interest. Amount is 16637.50. Principal is 12,500. So 16637.50 12500. Point after 20 minus 05.7314. Compounded interest is 4137.50. This is point. Okay. So students, Fabina borrows 12,500 rupees at simple interest. So Fabina pays 4,500 rupees interest and Radha borrows at compounded interest 12,500 rupees at compounded interest. So compounded interest, Radha pays interest 41,037.50 rupees. Okay. So who pay more interest? Okay. So find the difference because find out who pay more interest. Fabina pays 4,500 rupees, so it means that Fabina pays more interest. So for difference find out how much. And Radha pays 41,037.50 rupees. So 4,500 minus 41,37.50. Point after 2 digits. Because Fabina pays more interest than Radha. So how much? Find out how much pay more. 1 taking a 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 remainder, 4 minus 1, 3. Fabina pays more interest 362.50. Sabina pay more interest 362.50 rupees. Okay, this is paisa and this is rupees. Okay friends, take care, bye.